Have you ever thought about starting your own business but didn't know where to start? Many of us have pondered this very question, dreaming of carving our own path, yet daunted by the unfamiliar terrain of entrepreneurship. It's a journey full of challenges, yet brimming with opportunities. The key to navigating this journey? A well-crafted business plan, a compass guiding us towards our vision of success. Understanding how to create a business plan can be the first step to turning your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. So, what exactly is a business plan and why do you need one? A business plan serves as a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey. It's like a GPS for your business, outlining the route from where you are now to where you want to be. This invaluable tool helps you define your business goals, strategies, and potential obstacles. Imagine you're going on a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car and hope for the best, would you? You'd likely map out your route, identify gas stations along the way, and figure out where you'll stop for meals. That's what a business plan does for your business. It helps you prepare for the journey ahead, anticipate potential roadblocks, and plan for detours. A business plan is also a key tool for attracting investors. It's your chance to show potential backers that your business idea isn't just a dream, but a viable venture with a clear path to profitability. A well-crafted business plan is a tool, guiding you towards business success while giving potential investors a glimpse into the viability of your venture. A business plan might seem complex, but it can be broken down into several key components. First up is the executive summary. This is your elevator pitch, capturing the essence of your business and its goals. Next, we have the company description. This is where you detail your business, its operations, and why it's uniquely positioned to succeed. Now let's talk market analysis. This is your opportunity to showcase your understanding of your industry, your competition, and where your business fits in. The organization and management section is your chance to illustrate your team's structure and the roles of key players. Then comes the service or product line section, where you describe what you're selling or what service you're providing. The marketing and sales section outlines your strategies for attracting and retaining customers. Finally, the financial projections section is where you provide a forecast of your business's financial health. Each of these sections plays a crucial role in laying out your business plan. Now that we understand the components, how do we go about creating a business plan? Begin with the executive summary. It's a snapshot of your business, capturing your vision and briefly outlining your plans. But remember, despite its position, it's often best written last. Next, the company description. Here's where you paint a vivid picture of your business. What are you offering? Who are you offering it to? Then, the market analysis. Time for some serious research. Understand your industry, your competitors, and your target market. The organization and management section follows. Detail your business structure, your team, and how you plan to run your operation. Next, your service or product line. What are you selling or what service are you providing? Then, the marketing and sales strategy. How will you attract and retain customers? Lastly, your financial projections. Be realistic. Show that your business can be profitable. Remember, a business plan is not set in stone. It should evolve as your business grows and changes. Creating a business plan might seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way. Remember, the key to a great plan is to start with your entrepreneurial dream, understand its purpose, and break it down into its core components. Step by step, you'll craft a blueprint for success, from executive summary to financial projections. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your entrepreneurial dream? Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more business insights.